on my way to Chima Brazilian Steakhouse, and guess who I run into? Rittenhouse Sound.
Stopping it all. I want it forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Down in the mall.
Hey guys, CEO and founder Charles Roberts from Roberts Group and Social World Network of Professionals. We're here at the beautiful, newly renovated Chima Brazilian Steakhouse. We're doing our event here, First Friday on March 3rd from 6 to 9. You don't want to miss this event. If you loved the event last month, you're going to love it even more this month. We have business builder herself, Miss Nicole Newman, that we're recognizing and honoring at this event. So you don't want to miss it. March 3rd from 6 to 9 at Chima Brazilian Steakhouse. So see you then.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all that